Naniniwala ang pamunuan ng Laos Group of Companies o LGC na may kanya-kanyang tungkulin ang bawat miyembro ng komunidad upang mapuksa ang patuloy na pananalasa ng COVID-19 pandemic. Nitong buwan ng Abril, ipinatupad ang self-imposed enhanced community quarantine sa iba't ibang workplaces ng LGC upang higit na maiwasan ang posibleng transmission ng novel coronavirus. Paliwanag ni Laos Group Chairman and CEO Lisette Laos Velasco, isang paraan ito para makatulong sa mga COVID-19 frontliners na labis ang sakripisyo para sa ating bayan.
It is quite difficult and sad, but it is what we should do to lessen our exposure to the COVID-19 virus. This is the least that we can do to support our frontliners. They are very exhausted.
Liban dito, naghahanda na rin daw ang LGC para sa vaccination program para sa kanilang mga empleyado.
This year, a hope for a better year presented itself through the arrival of the vaccines. Not only did government prepare for the vaccines, but also some of private sectors have rolled out their vaccination programs, which includes the Laos Group.
Sa katunayan, isang webinar na tinawag na COVID-19 Vaccine Ating Alamin ang isinagawa ng Laos Group nito lamang April 6 na siya namang dinaluhan ng nasa 300 empleyado. Dito binigyan linaw ang mga karaniwang agam-agam ng publiko kaugnay ng bakuna. Mismo ang award-winning na infectious disease specialist at molecular biologist na si Dr. Edsel Maurice Silvana ang nagpaliwanag ng mga mahalagang bagay kaugnay ng COVID-19 vaccine sa mga miyembro ng LGC community.
So this is always a question. Wait a minute, what about the effect of the variants on the vaccine? So we're not 100% sure yet, but one of the things that is very clear is that even if it may be less effective for mild disease, like with the South African variant, the vaccines continue to protect against severe disease. And it's really the severe disease that kills you.
Ang mga ganitong katanungan hindi raw maiiwasan dahil sa dami ng iba't ibang impormasyong nagkalat kaugnay ng sakit na COVID-19.
Amidst of these advances, some remain skeptical. We do understand why, and it is because of the information all over mainstream and social media. Some true, but some fake news. There is so much misinformation going on as well.
Ayon kay Velasco, mahalaga ang pagkakaroon ng wastong kaalaman ukol sa bakuna upang sama-sama nating malampasan ang mga hamon na hatid ng pandemya. JM De Jesus, CLTV News.